Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can check the voicemail on your iPhone 14 series device. So it's very easy, quick, and well, convenient should I say. Just launch the default phone dialer app. At the bottom row that contains different sections and tabs, go for the voicemail dedicated section, and in here if you'll have any voicemail messages left to your name, you'll be able to play them. Just tap on the play button that will appear, as I've mentioned, if you will have any voicemails to begin with. And if your voicemail is set up, of course. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.